Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the fountain code. So you're going to go to the second chapter and go to the sleigh on the very left. So the one to the very left, which is the first one, well, just the one to the very left. And you're going to go to this tunnel, this icy tunnel. Just gonna wait for it to, okay. So there's a fountain in the middle, and you're just going to enter this code. Palingenesia. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Palingenesia. I don't know what it means even. Okay. And then I'm just going to go back to the winter kind of quest, but the town part of it, and then you're just going to press E and you'll be teleported into this really cool place. So I'm not going to show it to you guys. I'm just going to blur it out so you guys can see it for yourself, but you're just going to again put in the code. I'm not going to say it again. I'll put the code in the description box down below into that fountain, and you'll be able to go into that area. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.